Mon cœur pour toi, mon amour. No, it's not a romance playlist. It's just about some parts of the body and health. Hey there, here's LingoJet, and today we're gonna talk about some different parts of the body like head, nose, ear, eye, and etc. Do you know what I'm going to say? Yes, that's it. Before we get started, you just go down there, hit that subscribe button, and please turn on post notification if you haven't done it. Let's go. So let's get it started. The first word is hair. Hair in French means cheveux. Cheveux. Cheveux means hair. Cheveux. Cheveux. Très bien, great. Cheveux means hair. Next one. Head in French means tête. Tête. Tête means head. Très bien, that's it. Great. Next one. Face in French means visage. Visage. Visage means face. It's not visage or visag or visag. No. It's visage. Alright. So visage means face. Très bien, great. Next one. Eye in French means œil. Œil is not ouïe, no. Œil. Œil. Œil means eye. Great. Next one. Ear, or this ear or this ear. It doesn't have a difference. Ear in French means oreille. Oreille. Oreille means ear. Oreille. Yes, that's it. Great. Oreille. Next one. Mouth. Mouth in French means bouche. Bouche. Bouche means mouth. And inside the bouche or mouth is teeth. So teeth in French means dents. Dents. So dents means teeth. So it's plural. Dents. Dents means teeth. Great. Next one. Nose in French means, do you know that? Means nez. Nez means nose. Nose means nez. Nez. Yes, that's it, great. Nez. Next one. Neck in French means cou. Cou. It's not que, no. Cou. Cou means neck. That's it. Great. Cou. Next one. Somehow have some relations with the playlist romance or just the stuffs, I don't know. Cœur. Cœur means heart. Cœur. Alright. Yes, that's it. It's not corps, no. Cœur. Do you remember my first sentence in this episode? It was Mon cœur pour toi, mon amour. It means my heart is for you, my love. Yes. So, mon cœur means my heart. Cœur means heart. Alright. Next one. Hand in French means main. Main. Main means hand. Main, hand. Main. Yes, that's it. Great. The next one. Arm. Arm in French means bras. 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 You rock. Excellent. Bras. 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 Bras means arm. So, now let's just repeat these words together. Cheveux. Cheveux. Tête. Tête. Visage. Visage. Œil. Œil. Bouche. Bouche. Dent. Dent. Oreille. Oreille. Cou. Cou. Cœur. Cœur. Main. Main. Bras. Bras. Excellent. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, being subscribed, and having your post notification turned on. Any question, ask it there. See you.